Welcome back, chemistry fans. This is your second night of homework, day 2 homework. Let's get started on it together. Let me share my screen with you and we will get into it. All right. Name of any molecule. You could name anything as long as it's not an element, and it's probably a molecule. You know, you can't say taco or hamburger. Those aren't molecules because you can't write out the chemical formula for it. But if you were writing anything in the neighborhood of like a CO2 and H2O, you could write nitrogen. You could write sugar if your heart delights to it. C12H22O11. Anything is a molecule. I'm fine with that. Draw an image of a compound. Now, this one, only thing I'm looking for, keep it simple, stupid, is just make sure that we are aware that a compound must have different elements in it. However you distinguish that, different colors, different sizes, I'm fine with. Atomic scale of a liquid. So now on a liquid, we need to be able to make certain that we understand that gravity has an effect on it. It's holding it down, and that these atoms are close together. They're not far apart, and they're not in a fixed arrangement in a solid with like a crystalline structure. All right, apply the 2 terms down below that would apply to that first image on worksheet number 8, and give me an example. Well, I have all these terms here. So if I am looking at this one, 2 terms that would apply, I know compound, I know that molecule would apply to this. It is not a monatomic element. It is not a diatomic molecule because they're not the same. Is it a pure substance? Yes, it is, because all of the samples in that box are the same. Is it homogeneous mixture? No, because there's not 2 different materials, so none of these mixture terms would apply. So there's 3 options for you. An example of this one, flat soda. Well, soda is a mixture. That's out. Muddy water is a mixture. Carbon monoxide, that is 1, 2 elements. So my example best would be suited as carbon monoxide. All right, now question number 5, Rutherford. So I've got Dalton, Thomson, Rutherford, Bohr in this order. Dalton comes up with the atom. Thomson comes up with the electrons. Rutherford comes up with the nucleus. And Bohr comes up with energy levels. If I put all this together, don't try rotten bananas, or I could come up with this new term, Dati-Run-Bell. So Rutherford comes up with the nucleus, Thomson comes up with the electron, and Bohr comes up with energy level. Oh my goodness. I believe that took us all of like 5 minutes to get your homework done. Hopefully you've already done it. You're just verifying. So thank you so much, and we will talk with one another again soon. Bye-bye.